Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Wagi ang Dominican Republic kontra sa Italy 87-82. Humakot ng 24 points, 11 rebounds, 5 assists si Karl Anthony Towns para sa Dominican Republic. Andres Filiz 24 points, 5 rebounds, 5 assists, 1 block. Jen Montero 12 points, 6 rebounds, 9 assists, 3 steals, 1 block. Para naman sa natalong Italy, Marcos Peso 17 points, 5 rebounds, 4 assists, 2 steals. Simon Fontech 13 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists. Gianpaolo Ricci 12 points, 6 rebounds, 1 steal, 1 block. Polo Nara 10 points, 2 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal. Panalo naman ang Germany kontra sa Australia 85-82. Dennis Schroeder humakot ng 30 points para sa Germany, may kasamang 1 rebound, 8 assists, 4 steals. Nag-ambag naman si Maudulo ng 20 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist. Para naman sa Australia, Patty Mills 21 points, 5 rebounds, 6 assists, 1 steal. Josh Giddey 17 points, 1 rebound, 3 assists. Tinalo naman ng Montenegro ang Egypt 89-74. Nikola Vucevic 16 points, 7 rebounds, 1 assist, 2 steals, 3 blocks. Nikola Ivanovic 15 points, Kendrick Perry 11 points. Para naman sa natalong Egypt, Ihab Amin 26 points, 3 assists, 2 rebounds, 3 steals, 1 block. Anas Mahmoud at Patrick Gardner may tig 13 points. Tinambakan naman ng Canada ang Lebanon ng 55 points, 128-73. Nanguna si RJ Barrett ng Canada sa kanyang 17 points, 3 assists. Delion Brooks humakot ng 10 points, 3 assists, 2 steals. Para naman sa Lebanon, Omari Spellman 16 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists. Habang si Wael Arakji nag-ambag lamang ng 8 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Natalo naman ang Gilas Pilipinas kontra sa Angola 70-80. Gerson Gongalves ng Angola umiskor ng 17 points, 6 rebounds, 1 assist. Gerson Domingos 15 points. Para naman sa natalong Gilas Pilipinas, Jordan Clarkson 21 points, 3 rebounds, 7 assists. EJ Edo 9 points, habang si Nakai Soto, Ridger Pugoy, Dwight Ramos may tig 8 points. Seji Perez 7 points, John Mar Pardo 4 points, Kifi Rabina 3 points, Renz Abando 2 points. Nakuha naman ng Japan ang unang panalo matapos nag-never say die sa 4th quarter kontra sa Finland 98-88. Nanguna naman si Joshua Hawkinson ng Japan sa kanyang 28 points, 19 rebounds. Yuki Kawamura 25 points. Para naman sa Finland, Lauri Markkinen 27 points, 12 rebounds. Panalo naman ang Lithuania kontra sa Mexico 96-66. Jonas Valanciunas 15 points, 12 rebounds para sa Lithuania. Gabriel Gueron ng Mexico umakot ng 13 points, 2 rebounds, 3 assists. Wagi din ng Latvia kontra sa bansang France 88-86. Nanguna si Artur Zagar ng Latvia sa kanyang 22 points, 2 rebounds, 5 assists. Para naman sa natalong France, Evan Fournier 27 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist. Nicolas Batum 13 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists. Heto ang team standings ng FIBA World Cup 2023 as of August 27, 2023. Sa Group A, Dominican Republic 2 wins, 0 loss. Italy 1 win, 1 loss. Angola 1 win, 1 loss. Gilas Pilipinas 0 win, 2 losses. Group B, Serbia 1 win, 0 loss. Puerto Rico 1 win, 0 loss. South Sudan 0 win, 1 loss. China 0 win, 1 loss. Sa Group C naman, USA 1 win, 0 loss. Greece 1 win, 0 loss. Jordan 0 win, 1 loss. New Zealand 0 win, 1 loss. Sa Group D, Lithuania 2 win, 0 loss. Montenegro 2 win, 0 loss. Mexico 0 win, 2 losses. Egypt 0 win, 2 losses. Group E, Germany 2 wins, 0 loss. Australia 1 win, 1 loss. Japan 1 win, 1 loss. Finland 0 win, 2 losses. Sa Group F, Georgia 1 win, 0 loss. Slovenia 1 win, 0 loss. Venezuela 0 win, 1 loss. Cape Verde 0 win, 1 loss. Sa Group G, Brazil 1 win, 0 loss. Spain 1 win, 0 loss. Ivory Coast 0 win, 1 loss. Iran 0 win, 1 loss. Sa Group H, Latvia 2 wins, 0 loss. Canada 2 wins, 0 loss. France 0 win, 2 losses. Lebanon 0 win, 2 losses. Heto ang mga laro ng FIBA World Cup 2023 ngayong August 28, 2023. Maghaharap ang China at South Sudan alas 4 ng hapon, nagaganapin sa Araneta Coliseum, Philippines. Maglalaban naman ang Venezuela at Cape Verde alas 4 ng hapon, nagaganapin sa Okinawa Arena, Japan. Kakalabanin naman ng New Zealand ang Jordan alas 4:45 ng hapon na gaganapin sa Mall of Asia Arena, Philippines. Maglalaban naman ang Ivory Coast kontra sa Iran alas 5:45 ng hapon na gaganapin sa Indonesia Arena. Magsasagupa naman ang Georgia at Slovenia ganap na alas 7:30 ng gabi na gaganapin sa Okinawa Arena, Japan. Maghaharap naman ang Puerto Rico at Serbia alas 8 ng gabi na gaganapin sa Araneta Coliseum, Philippines. Maglalaban naman ang Greece at USA alas 8:40 ng gabi na gaganapin sa Mall of Asia Arena, Philippines. Maghaharap naman ang Brazil at Spain alas 9:30 ng gabi sa Indonesia Arena. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.